teasers nyo.
Kasi yun yung gusto din namin maramdaman ng mga listeners namin. They feel confident, sexy, like
Very powerful.
Yeah.
Nakita namin yung growth niya talaga from the day na nag-start yung pandemic yun. Ngayon parang nag-transform talaga. Are you hands-on pagdating sa looks, ganyan? Anong story behind it?
Absolutely, we're blessed with the most amazing team. Pero sa lahat ng mga music and creative looks namin, we definitely like to be hands-on and inside of their minds and the creative process. Sa mga meetings, nandun din talaga po kami. And we're proud to say that we really love our team and they really mesh well kung anong mga ideas namin, yung ideas nila, it really meshes well.
Kasi parang with collaborating with our team, parang nahuhone din yung craft namin as artists. So, very important sa amin na kasama kami sa proseso and sa journey ng each and every releases and yeah, sa music namin.
What made you decide to go mature?
Mature ba?
I think
Embracing siguro
Embracing
yung
your
femininity. Yes.
And I think unintentionally din kasi we're growing up din. We didn't plan on being mature. I guess what are we feeling now? How we're feeling? What's the message we want to put out? And I think we feel extra confident with the people we're surrounding and the people that listen to our music. So we want to spread din yung message din sa kanila.
It naturally came out lang din yung concept.
Anong feeling nyo na mula nung nilabas yung song, trending kayo halos araw-araw?
Hindi po kami hindi na ako makapagsalita nga eh. Hindi makapaniwala. Yes, yun po. Kasi yung support na ibinibigay po sa amin ng fans namin and the casuals actually, grabe kasi hindi naman po ganun before. So nakakataba lang. Sobrang nakakagulat. Nakakataba lang.
Teasers po pa lang, like, hindi namin talaga expect. And we're really grateful po. More to come.
We just want to put out a message and a good song for our fans. And nag-trending, additional na yun.
Oh my gosh.
So much po.
Ano yung mga feedback na na-receive ninyo na parang for you, na-touch kayo or kanina siya galing?
Actually, na-touch talaga ako sa mga comments na nagsabi, I'm inspired with the song or the girls inspired me. That really validates what we're doing as artists. Na parang, it's more than just music, it's more than just performing and looking pretty. It's about inspiring and nag-translate yung mga mensahe po namin.
Actually, pag meron ako nakita sa TikTok, I'm a single mom here in mga ganon. I'm a OFW here in Japan. Whenever I listen to Papagpalaban, parang mas gusto nilang lumaban pa. Yung mga ganong bagay, nakakataba ng puso kasi talagang sa kababaihan po talaga na feel nila, sarili nila, yung pinaglalaban nila. So, nakakataba talaga.
And na-mention mo kanina na hindi naman kasi dati gano'n, may biglang trending, may pumapansin. What kept you going? Kasi medyo alam natin ang daming P-pop groups, diba? And hindi gano'n kabilis. So, nung times na feeling nyo hindi pa kayo gano'n ka sikat, kilala, ano yung ginagawa nyo to keep you guys inspired?
Actually, ginagawa namin drive yun para mas maging better kami sa craft and also para mas mag-goal kami for better opportunity for us, which is very thankful kami kasi it didn't come lang naman sa amin. Sobrang pinaghirapan namin to. Talagang nag-training kami everyday, pinaghandaan namin yung comeback, meetings and all, hands-on.
Parang nako-convert siya eh. Nako-convert yung ganong doubts and kasi hindi talaga maiwasan yung doubts. Especially sa journey ng P-pop. Sugal talaga yung P-pop, masasabi ko talaga. And when we see our seniors strive and ang dami nilang na-achieve, nararamdaman din namin na ay, kaya. So hindi talaga kami susuko. May chance. And may malawak and sobrang bright ng future ng P-pop. And sobrang saya na medyo nakikita din namin yung brightness.
And we really believe in God's timing. God's timing is always perfect. So keeping the faith and keeping strong to each other, knowing the challenge that we work so hard to work on. We know that someone above is watching that and will look for those people.
Sabi nga ni Kuya TJ Puhon, our parents.
Yeah.
Sobrang supportive din po talaga kasi ni Ate Casey siya po at DJ. Isa sila talaga sa mga naniniwala sa amin.
Yes, ever
Matagal din ang
since.
inintay.
Check on the lyrics of Papapapalaban. Ano yung parang worst comment na narinig mo?
Worst comment.
For the song or biglang babae?
Kunwari lang person lang. Masyado kong magaslaw for a group.
Naku. Is it,
Baby,
ano nasabi? Okay. Madami eh.
Siguro isa na sa pinaka-worst sa nababasa namin or ko is yung kino-compare sa ibang babae. Which is, you don't need to compare, kahit hindi babae, basta sa ibang tao, you don't need to compare or pit each other, pit
Don't pit women against
someone against someone.
Yeah.
Hindi mo kailangan magawain, hindi mo kailangan i-compare. Kasi lahat ng tao may sarili-sarili silang own uniqueness. They have their own uniqueness, they have their own beauty, they have their own color. So, yun for me.
For me naman yung hindi man siya bash, but more on like when someone compliments you but at the same time dragging another person. Parang para sa akin hindi siya compliment but insult na in a way kasi kino-compliment mo ko pero tinatapakan mo yung ibang tao. So hindi siya compliment para sa akin.
I agree with both of them completely. And I think to touch on the question then, like, babae kayo, so hanggang dyan lang kayo, or dapat nandito lang kayo, or aabot lang kayo hanggang dito, which we should never set the limit to ourselves, di ba? May limitless na song ko. Yeah, that's why I think Palaban is super, super in line with talaga what the message we want to put out.
Tama ba yung Palaban?
Sorry. Alvin from Metro City. I just want to ask, with the new era for G22, what are your hopes for this year? Since with the visual changing from cutesy to very fierce, ano yung hope nyo para dito sa year?
Well, ang hope din namin and goal talaga is ma-put out pa namin at ma-loudspeaker, loudspeaker, yung message namin. Yung talaga yung pinaka-importante sa amin na mas marami kaming ma-empower na kabataan, especially sa kababaihan, and I think yun talaga yung pinaka-goal namin.
With the success of your new song, do you think this will solidify G22 sa P-pop roster of P-pop?
Hopefully. Lagi naman po kaming hoping for the best every time we put out a song. Yun yung palang, sana ito na yun.
Lalo na medyo matagal na yung last song na nirelease namin. So hopefully itong song na to is something na will really get us out.
Yes.
We'll manifest that for you.
Thank you.
Gusto ko yung na-touch mo kanina, yung using other women to compare others. Kasi I'm sure nakita niyo yung comments na type kasi G22 kasi matapang, hindi tulad ng ibang groups. I'm sure you're aware of that. So what's your reaction sa mga ganun?
Reaction ko, honestly, hindi siya maganda kasi iba't iba naman tayo ng version ng katapangan. Kasi may mga matapang na vulnerable sila, nagpapakita nila na yung soft side nila. Katapangan yun. May matapang na here and na talagang front of you, I'll tell you what I think, gano'n. Madami, iba't iba yung version ng katapangan at hindi dapat natin minamaliit ang katapangan ng iba't ibang tao.
Kapag yung mga earlier na medyo nakakalang for kakalaban. So, paano yung naging process pag yung nakakalaban na maging perfect siya na comeback ng G22?
Actually, dapat i-release natin siya before.
Last year pa eh.
Last year. Kaso nga lang may mga nangyari, may kailangan
Parang hindi-
pabihin. And parang hindi siya perfect. Hindi that time.
Hindi rin
May
smooth
kulang.
yung hindi smooth yung proseso nung time na yun.
Yes.
Eh ngayon parang mas ang dali.
Ngayon, biglang naging smooth, naging ano. So siguro, with what Jasmine said kanina, God's perfect time. Before, hindi siya perfect time talaga. And ngayon, this year, nag-plan kami, naisip namin na March is Women's Month. Very perfect time to release Palaban. So, inintay talaga namin ng March.
Buhon talaga. Buhon
But
talaga.
touching along that, yung mga releases namin that we are so grateful to release with the brands, with Light Within, Limitless, it really was leading up sa kanta na Palaban. I think about the messaging, yung mga strength that, we're into this new era na kasama yung lahat. So,
Mas
it's just really worth it.
na-amplify lang this time.
given na nakuha niyo yung momentum, no, sana magtuloy-tuloy. Ano yung mga gusto niyong manifestation na ilaban? Parang ano yung mga wishes na pag binalikan to, baka
Palaban naman.
Ilaban pa yung P-pop scene sa, not only in the Philippines, but also sa buong mundo. Like, ma-appreciate nila, makita nila yung talent.
Talagang ma-mark tayo.
For G22.
For G22, definitely discography. Talagang ilalaban namin yung discography namin. More songs like Papapalaban. And syempre, hindi lang ganung klaseng kanta, but also touching different genres. And yeah.
Yes, and I want G22 to be known more than just visuals, more than just talent, but also message and focusing. Now, when you think of G22, you feel G22, you know their message, and you stand strong with that essence.
Any message to your fans to help you get
Support you.
Siyempre maraming salamat po syempre sa bullets namin dahil walang sawang suporta, yung pag-stream, yung pagpupuyat niyo, oh my gosh, yung pagmamahal niyo sa amin, sa pagpunta sa mga events namin, sa pagpaparamdam sa amin, we feel so loved. Maraming salamat dahil sa inyo lumalaban kami. Kaya, we love you bullets.
Thank you!
Thank you.
Content lang. So,